In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up language translation in Outlook. If you regularly receive emails in different languages, Outlook has a built-in translation feature that can make reading those messages much easier. Setting it up only takes a moment, and once it's configured, Outlook can either translate messages automatically, ask for permission first, or leave them untranslated based on your preference. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. Once you're on the main mail screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where Outlook keeps most of its customization options. When the settings panel appears, click on email. This section contains the options related to how your messages are received, displayed, and managed. From there, select message handling. This area includes several controls for the way Outlook processes incoming email, including translation settings. Now scroll until you find the translation section. This is where you'll decide exactly how Outlook should handle messages that arrive in a language different from your default one. The first thing to choose is how you want Outlook to treat messages received in other languages. You'll typically see three options here: always translate, ask me before translating, or never translate. If you want maximum convenience, choose always translate. If you prefer more control, choose the option that asks before translating. And if you don't want Outlook to translate foreign language messages at all, select never translate. Next, click the drop-down labeled translate messages into this language. From that list, choose the language you want Outlook to translate your emails into. This should usually be the language you're most comfortable reading. Picking the correct destination language here is important because it determines how translated content will appear in your inbox. After that, find the drop-down for Don't Translate the following languages. Use this to select any languages you understand well enough that you don't need Outlook to translate them. After choosing a language, click Add so it's included in your exclusion list. This is especially helpful if you commonly work in more than one language and only want translation for specific emails. Once everything looks the way you want, save your changes. That final step makes sure your preferences are applied going forward. And that's it. Your Outlook translation settings are now configured. From this point on, Outlook will handle multilingual emails according to the options you selected, helping you read incoming messages more efficiently and with less manual effort.